Alright, this is for anybody who owns a Acura TL or Honda Accord with the 3.2 liter V6 VTEC engine. So if you're experiencing like a ticking noise only when it's cold outside, only on cold start, there's a lot of places and forums and videos that say that it's the timing cover and to inspect that it's a timing chain and to take the timing cover off and inspect the slack of the timing chain. So I just listened around, for a couple of minutes just to source the sound, and I'm like, okay, it's not the timing cover. So the second thing that you want to look at, or the culprit, if you know for a fact the sound isn't coming from the timing belt, you want to look here at the EGR valves located. So you got the oil cap here, right down to the right of it is your EGR. So I already pulled it out. This is the old one here, kind of rusty. Alright, so now I'm going to start the installation process. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Same way it comes out, same way it goes in. It's 2 bolts, one here and one back there. They're both 12mm bolts. So literally just unplug the connection here from the top piece here, unscrew those 2 bolts down there, and take the old one off. Put this one on the same way. So this spout, this mouth should be pointing this way. Got my 2 bolts secured, one here, one here. Last thing to do literally is plug this in.